This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can check or assess the quality connection between your remote controller and the aircraft. So look at the top right corner of the interface. Specifically look for those like lines and the RC text to the right of them. And the more lines you have, the better the connection is. You can also tap at this icon to see a verbal confirmation. How strong is your signal? In my case, all the lines are present, since the RC and the drone are pretty much touching one another, so they are fairly close, which makes the signal strong, obviously. But that's how you check the RC signal strength. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.